What is up, Yes Army? It is your girl, LATRICE, and I am back at you again with another naturalist hair video. And this video is sponsored by African Pride, and we are using the products from their new African Pride Moisture Miracle collection to do our wash day routine, period. All right, so if you want to see more, you want to see what my new updated wash day routine looks like, be sure to stay tuned. Now let's get into this video. Okay, no cap. I literally have not washed my hair in 3 weeks. Can't you tell? When I tell you work and life have gotten in the way, listen, I needed this wash day. So first things first is pre-shampoo. If you are a low porosity girl like me, pre-shampoos are super beneficial to add to your wash day regimen. Too bad I didn't know that until now. So here I am telling you all the real tea. Glad I decided to use the pre-poo from the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. And honestly, aloe and coconut water are two ingredients I absolutely needed to revitalize my scalp because I have really been slacking with cleansing. And I also noticed some hair loss in the past couple of washes. So I hope with the continued use of the aloe ingredient, which promotes hair growth, and the coconut water that helps to combat dry scalp and strengthen your hair strands, will do just that. So of course, after the pre-poo comes the actual shampoo. This is where I do the most cleansing and where I really try to focus on massaging my scalp and cleansing my scalp of any dirt, debris, oils, etc. So my primary method for washing my hair is to focus on applying the shampoo at my roots or to my scalp. I like to make sure that I massage my hair as this stimulates the hair follicle, which can really promote hair growth at its finest. African Pride Moisture Miracle Shampoo with honey and coconut oil aims to get after that. So as I just mentioned, my hair is low porosity, so it's very hard for my hair strands to retain moisture. So any product with ingredients that promote moisture like honey and coconut oil are ones I'd love to try. I do have to admit the shampoo lather was on point, but I did not immediately feel the moisture. But while that was the case, my hair was thoroughly cleansed, which of course is the point. Also, naturalistas, one surefire way to ensure moisture is retained in your strands is obviously to use a hair mask. In this case, the African Pride Moisture Miracle collection has a Moroccan clay and shea butter hair mask that is heat activated. So what I did was I parted my hair and I evenly distributed the entire mask on all sections of my hair. But for the sake of this video, I am clearly showing you how I applied the mask on the back section of my hair as well as the front section of my hair. And then I used a heat cap that you throw in the microwave for like 90 seconds to fully activate the mask using the hot temperature. So with that being said, masks are extremely important, especially for my low porosity girls, you know, to help retain moisture, but especially when you plan to blow dry your hair, it is important that you moisturize as much as possible prior to blow drying your hair. And for this video, I actually blow dried my hair to get the finished look. I did 2 cornrows with a middle part, and boom, here is the finished look. All right, y'all, so that concludes the wash day routine. I hope I gave you some good bits, some good tidbits of what to do in your wash day routine while using the Moisture Miracle collection. With that being said, be sure to subscribe to your girl's channel if you want to see more of the lovely Leslie LATRICE. Check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I love you all, and I will see you all on my next upload. It is your girl Leslie LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace.